So here we learn that may is used for formal permission, can for informal, and could for permission in past. Three of them we used for permission, but in a different way. May for formal, can for informal, and could for permission in past. Now we will move towards our fourth model, that is might. Might, we can say that it is a past form of may. We use might to express the past tense of may, to express a doubtful possibility. Doubtful possibility, I mean to say that when we are having doubt of that possibility, when there is a 20 to 30% chances of that possibility. To express a purpose, to express more polite form of permission than may, and to express some suggestion. All the things will clear in the example. Hereby, I asked her if I might help her. So here might be used as the past tense of may. I asked her. It is an indirect sentence. He might come, but I am not sure. Might. It means that he is doubtful here. Only 20 to 30% chances of his arrival are there. In May, we are having 60% chances of something happening, but here we are having only 20 to 30% possibility. So that's why we call it doubtful possibility. He worked hard so that he might win a scholarship. There is a reason, a purpose for his work hard, that is scholarship. So here is a purpose of his doing work. Might I ask a question? So we know that may we use for seeking permission, but might is another form, another polite form we can say that than may. So for a polite form of permission we can also use might. You might like to try it once more. For suggestion, when we are giving suggestion to anyone that you might like to try it or to do it once. So here I think can, could, may, might is clear to all of you. Today we will only done with the 4 models, and the rest one we will done in tomorrow. So till that time, have a nice and safe day and start doing your work. Thank you.